To enable auto wallpaper change feature on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, you will have to open System Settings. Now you will have to scroll down and go for Wallpaper and Style. Then click to change wallpapers. And right now, we have to scroll all the way down and select one of the wallpaper services, Samsung Global Goals or Dynamic Lock Screen. For me, I will go with the first one, and here, as you can see, you can find multiple presets. So if you want to get dogs or cats, you have to just click on them and download them before it will be available, because there's like no any other way to get this. Now wait for this, just a few moments until it will load. And here what you can also do, basically you can enable downloading using mobile data and automatic updates in the background. And now you will have to select your preset, and once selected, you have to just lock your screen, unlock, and you can see new wallpaper every time you are gonna turn on your screen.